My name is Shanae Ford, and my presentation is going to be on tight junctions. Cell junctions are a specialized region of connections between two cells or between a cell and extracellular space. These interactions between the cells are critical to the development and function of multicellular organisms. Tight junctions are cell junctions that form the continuous intercellular barrier between epithelial cells. Tight junctions play two roles in allowing epithelia to fulfill barrier functions between fluid compartments. First, tight junctions form seals that prevent the free passage of molecules, including ions, between the cells of epithelial sheets. Second, the tight junctions separate the apical and basolateral domains of the plasma membrane by preventing the free diffusion of lipids and membrane proteins between them. Though tight junctions are effective seals for extracellular space, they lack the same adhesive strength between opposing cells, so they are usually accompanied by adherent junctions and desmosomes and a junctional complex. Tight junctions are the closest known contacts between adjacent cells. Tight junctions are formed by networks of protein strands that continues around the entire circumference of the cell. Each strand in these networks is composed of transmembrane proteins of occludins and claudins and junctional adhesion molecules. Occludins and claudins and jams bind to similar proteins on adjacent cells, sealing the space between their plasma membrane. Nictins may also be present in tight junctions as recruiters of claudins to initiate tight junction formation. Tight junctions in epithelial cells and vertebrates. Tight junctions form barriers. The physiological function of tight junctions is to form barriers for cells like epithelial cells, which are found on the surface of your body, blood vessels, urinary and digestive tract, and internal organs. In the bladder, tight junctions play a critical role in the maintenance of the urine-blood barrier. It creates a physiological barrier to the passage of ions and solutes between the urine and blood. Tight junctions prevent urine from leaking out into the extracellular space. Interstitial cystitis, or bladder pain syndrome. It is a chronic voiding disorder that presents with pain in the urinary bladder and surrounding pelvic region. The superficial cells of the urothelium develop tight junctions that restrict urine movement across the urothelium. Tight junctions are important for the function of epithelia, restricting paracellular diffusion and contributing to the maintenance of the cell surface polarity. Thus, the malfunction of tight junctions in the urothelium may lead to abnormal urinary solutes migration, such as potassium, which depolarizes muscle and nerves and then causes tissue injury and bladder pain. Accumulated evidence suggests that dysregulated cell-cell adhesion is associated with the development and progression of most epithelial cancers, with tight junction playing an important part in this. Tight junctions play a vital role in maintaining cell-cell integrity and cohesion of organ lining. The loss of cohesion between tight junctions could lead to diaplasmic changes, which may eventually transfer into cancer. In the article that I found, a molecule extracted from a marine sponge prevented tight junctions assembly and restored tight junction function. Thank you for watching my presentation. Here is a question that I had, and here are my references. Thank you.